A classic story of spiraling out over your partner's ex. That's exactly what's happening in brand new film Basic, and we spoke with the stars involved with the project on the South by Southwest red carpet.
I feel like female-centric films resonate no matter gender or background or what have you. How do you hope the audiences are impacted by this film specifically?
I hope they see it's a very grounded, like very true to life story, although there are some fantastical elements, but I hope people really see themselves. Like, nothing makes me happier. I was on a show called Black Lady Sketch Show. The number of people, all races, who come up to me and be like, Trinity is me, and I'm like, okay, you're a Chinese man, great. Like, it makes me so happy because all anyone wants from cinema is to be seen.
In every way. I think from the crash out over everything, the deep dive stalking, like, women feel that, but I know men do it too, okay? We know, everybody is stalking. Yeah. But it's just, I know that we have all felt at some point, like, we deep dived too far. Yeah. And we double clicked something that and liked a photo that like is so embarrassing. Right. So I think people really feel seen there. Yeah. And just in the silliness of the female friendship.
Yeah, I love that.
I think we can all relate to a social media deep dive and kind of spiraling, and so the growth that Ashley Nicole character Gloria experiences and the things that she learns along the way, I think a lot of people are going to be really empowered by it.
Oh my God, women are multidimensional.
Yeah.
We got really hard days, really bad days, but we also have really great days. But you require friends to really keep you accountable. Hold yourself together and hold yourself for the better of everyone else, you know?
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.